Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change language in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Oculus app. So once you open your Oculus app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do now is simply tap on the menu option. After you tap on menu, you need to now tap on settings, and from there you need to go in account settings. After this is done, you will be redirected to this page where you need to log in with your email address, Facebook or your Instagram ID. So once you are logged in, you will be in this page where you can see the edit option in the language section automatically. So once you see and tap the edit option, you can see several languages in the drop down menu bar, from where you can simply choose and hit the save button. After you hit the save button, your page will be reloaded in the selected language which you had changed prior. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.